Welcome to the Capital Spreads weekly look ahead. Today is Monday the 16th of April 2012. Quick look at where the markets are. FTSE is currently around 56.95, just ticking higher this morning. The Dow at 12.895. Euro dollar actually just softening a little bit. It's at 130.30. Same for cable, 158.45. Gold is at 16.50 and Brent at 120. So today the focus will just be on a little bit of economic data from the US. We get retail sales from across the pond, which are expected to remain pretty strong. Tomorrow we get a couple of retailers reporting. We've got Marks & Spencer and Burberry. So very much a look at how the UK high street is doing in the case of Marks & Spencer. On the economic data side of things, we get UK CPI numbers. They're expected to fall, but of course the falls that we've seen in recent months haven't been as much as the bank is hoping. So inflation is still remaining very high in the UK, around some 3.4%. And of course we've seen at the pumps, petrol prices continue to be at all-time highs. So inflation very much high, being being propped up by high oil prices. Also on the economic data front on Tuesday we get the German ZEW survey, where business conditions are expected to continue to be high. Last month they hit their highest level since June 2010. We also get US housing starts from the US. On Wednesday, continuing with the retail focus there, Tesco's numbers, full year numbers, so very much looking to see how they are doing since that profit warning a few weeks ago. We also get UK unemployment data. Now that's due to tick higher from 8.3% to 8.4%. So we'll see also how the claim counts comes in there as well. Still a very tough labour market in the UK. Also we get Bank of England minutes, expecting pretty much a unanimous vote for keeping interest rates on hold, but we'll see whether there's any more people calling for further quantitative easing. At the last meeting it was 2 people voting for that. On Thursday, reporting companies are SABMiller, Debenhams and WH Smiths. We also get a couple of bond auctions from the Eurozone, which want to keep an eye on. Spain, France have got they've got bond auctions there, so we'll see how those are received by investors. On the economic data front, there's the Philly Fed from the US and existing home sales, and then we cap the weekend, the week off, with further business sentiment numbers from Germany, the IFO number there, and UK retail sales, which are expected to see a little rebound. Obviously in March, that heat wave, some very, very good weather has assisted there, but retail sales overall for the UK looking very, very poor. Also throughout this week, there's very much a theme from Wall Street. There's the US banks that are all reporting. We saw on JP Morgan last Friday, very good numbers from them, and the overall expectation for the US banks is high, obviously being assisted by the ECB's LTRO. So we get Citigroup today, then tomorrow Goldman Sachs, and then on Thursday Bank of America and Morgan Stanley. Then I suppose as we go into the weekend, the French presidential elections are obviously going to be keenly watched, so we'll see the build up to them as well. Good luck this week, and as ever, give us feedback, media@capitalspreads.com.